How to make a stick puppet. We need a stick, color paper, a pen, scissors, glue and glass. First, I could choose circles. This is a face. Now I can draw eyes and mouth. I stick on ears, eyes, nose and whiskers. Then I put glue on the circles, on the stick, and I have my stick puppet, Mr. Cat. Bye-bye.
Hello, teacher. How to make a stick paper? 1. Cut out two circles. 2. Draw a face. 3. Glue the circles to the stick. Finish.
Hello, today I bring a stick paper. We need a stick, color, paper 30, pen scissors, and glue stick. First two things, right? Eyes and mouth. Whoa! Ta-ta! Now can play with your stick puppet.
Yeah.
Hello, today I make my stick puppet. 1. Draw 2 circles in a paper. 2. I cut the circles with a scissors. 3. I draw 2 eyes, a mouth and nose, and 2 stick 2 ears.